사실은
Hey guys, the last time you saw me was at the creative thing downtown, Kingston Creative, and that was literally last week. Last week Sunday, and now it's been a week. It's Saturday. I put out a vlog last night. I feel very accomplished because I finally posted a vlog. You know, I've been vlogging this whole time but just haven't been posting the vlogs, and yeah, editing I think is like my biggest obstacle, because it's not that I don't love editing, but it's like it takes a long time to like sort footage and all of that, you know. But I do have vlogs from last year that I'm still gonna be putting out in between, like my updates of like life now in 2024. So I think what I might do is drop those in midweek and then drop these like on Mondays. I feel like Mondays might be my new upload schedule. I want to do twice a week, but I might be pushing it, to be honest. Especially because you guys are always saying you want longer vlogs. And to be honest, I do shoot a lot of footage, but by the time I edit them, they cut down so much. Like, I always think my vlogs are going to be long, and then I actually edit them and they're not long. Like, even the vlog I posted on Friday yesterday that you guys will have gotten, that footage was like 50 odd minutes worth of footage, and it by the time it's edited it's like 50 minutes. Like, and it's not even on purpose, it's just by the time it's edited it's down. And it's mostly because sometimes I feel like the footage might get boring, so I cut it down, you know. I don't know. But anyways, let me know how you guys liked the vlog last week. I hope you guys enjoyed it. As I told you guys last week, I'm really trying to work on like the way I edit the vlogs moving forward and things like that. So yeah, but right now today I'm not really doing anything much. I'm gonna be working on some content though, stuff probably for the rest of the day, watch some YouTube vlogs and just chill. Really, that's the plan for the day.
Hey guys, welcome back to the vlogs. I'm heading to Montego Bay right now. I am working with the Montego Bay Convention Center today. I actually kind of just woke up, that's why I'm so sluggish. But yeah, I am waiting on her. But yeah, we made a rest stop. Where are we? In Chilani? Oh, okay. Just made it to Montego Bay, to the convention center. It's kind of like a get to know the place kind of event, and they invited me. Gonna be shooting some content here today, so I'm kind of excited because I feel like I'm getting to do a type of content that I haven't gotten to do before, which is basically kind of like showcasing a space. And if you guys follow me long enough, you know that I really like architecture, you know, and design, and this place is really nice. Like, it's so well done, so I'm really excited to kind of show you guys some of it in the vlog. My focus today won't be vlogging, so I'll try to capture as much as I can for the vlog. But yeah, if you follow me on Instagram, then you probably already saw all of this anyways.
you're going in my vlog behind the scenes. Hey guys, I'm home. The last time I vlogged, I was waiting on mom to pick me up because she was passing by where I was coming off, so I just waited on her to get a drive back home. And then I had to freshen up my makeup basically because I'm going out tonight because it's Anika's birthday celebration and we're going to Latin night. So yeah, I just wanted to check in, show you guys my makeup. It's very different from this morning. It's the same makeup, but I freshened it up because I was really like, I sweat off so much and I was so oily. But I added some eyeshadow as much as I can because y'all know I'm not good with eyeshadow. And just reapply powder all over, blush, all that good stuff. And yeah, that's it. And my brows. Folks, as you guys know, sometimes I really suck at vlogging when I go out, especially like if I get into the moment and you know I'm enjoying with my friends and stuff. Ignore this chef hat on my head. I literally just got up, washed my face, brushed my teeth, and left my hair cap on my head exactly how I woke up with it, you know. It is literal, it's so late, it's like in the early afternoon right now. I had to sleep in because I'm so tired. You guys know I went to Montego Bay yesterday and I literally slept for like maybe 4 hours. I don't know if you can hear it in my voice, but I feel so groggy. I think I slept for about 4 hours before going to Montego Bay because I had to get up at like 5 a.m. Drove to Montego Bay with everyone, then did the convention center, left Montego Bay after 3, got to Kingston, got back home in Portmore at about like 5:36. Then I basically had to shower and get ready to go back into Kingston and you know link up with my friend because we were ringing in her birthday basically, which is what you guys would have seen little snippets of. We went to Latin night last night at Holy Smokes. She loves going to Latin night and it's always such a vibe, honestly. Going to Latin night, we've been going to Latin nights for years, but you know the places have changed over time. Back when we used to go, like earlier days when we used to go Latin night was at Regency. If you know, you know, Regency Latin night back in the day. I'm saying back in the day like I'm old, but it was just a vibe. But now Holy Smokes is like one of the places that has a good Latin night. It still has that same vibe that Regency used to have too. But yeah, we did that, and then after, what did we do? After we left Holy Smokes at around maybe after 12 to 1, I'm not really sure. And then we went back to my friend's place, Cabell's place, and we stayed there for a while, you know, drinking, chatting. Then I went to Anika's and then I took a cab home. Got back home, I think I got home maybe after 3 this morning. So yeah, and then I've been knocked out ever since, you know. But yeah, and now we're probably going to do it again tonight, which is because today is actually Anika's birthday, so we rang it in last night, and then tonight we're gonna actually like go out for dinner, cute little dinner at Chez, and then I think we're gonna go to a French Lyme after, which is a soca party put on by this party group called Frenchmen. So yeah, and I'll show you guys the snippets of that. Of course, I can't promise that I'll give you like proper vlog like length footage, but I'll try to show little snippets of the night so you guys can see that. As you guys know, you know, once I get in a moment I forget to vlog. But yeah, so tonight should be fun. But as of right now, I think it's about after 2 right now, so I'm calculating how many hours I have until I need to start getting ready again, and I think the dinner is for 7, which means I need to start getting ready at about 5:30 because I have to leave home by like 6:20, 6:30 to get to Chez from Portmore. But yeah, I need to do some editing. I have a video to edit, and I also have my content from Montego Bay yesterday to edit because I need to post up my content. It's paid content, so I have to make sure I'm editing properly, doing like quality content. I have 4 posts that I need to do, 2 reels and 2 static posts for the convention center. I'm really happy that they reached out to me to work with them because I don't get to do this kind of stuff often. I think I said this in the blog yesterday, but like the fact that I got to showcase like a space, which is something that I love. Like I feel like if you've been following me long enough, I take so many pictures and stuff of just spaces and like things that I find pretty, you know. So I was just very happy yesterday. I was very happy. I was like, yes. But yeah, I'm gonna go edit, and then I'll probably catch you guys later once I start getting ready to go out tonight.
Do you care? Say hey, girl. Ooh, this is the end of the video now. I was supposed to vlog it, and I'm now remembering to vlog. So say hello. Bye. Okay, say you're not coming. See you next time, babe. Guys, I forgot to vlog, but we're about to leave Chez. We just left, and we're gonna go to a Frenchman because they have like a soca party tonight. So we're gonna go to that. We just left the soca party, went to Frenchman Lyme, and now we are at Ribbiz. And we met up with all our friends at Frenchman Lyme. So now we're...
What did chat say? Jesus is coming.
Not Jesus is coming.
You just pull up, you know. When they come in,
hello. Hi.
Heart. I'm a person, girl. You better. It press. We're not going.
a lift. Never for me. You're too late.
Wait, let's rest this and just, yeah.
Say hello.
Yeah, come on, now, we're going
It's a birthday. Happy birthday
So
to
we're going
ya.
to come to this room.
Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday.
I don't know, but I think so. Yes. Hey, hey, hey. Ooh. Wait, what's the entry? I don't even know. How much you got in? It free? Love freeness, you know? Love freeness.